Hello everyone. As I start my GMAT or aptitude class, I start with one table. Today, table 6. 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12, 3s are 18, 4s are 24, 5s are 30, 6 are 36, 7s are 42, 8s are 48, 9s are 54, 10s are 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96, 102, 108, 114, 120. So I told you always ask your friend to ask you what is 6 15s are 90, what is 6 5s are 30, what is 6 11s are 66, 6 18s are 108, 6 19s are 114, 6 20s are 120. Like that you should be able to say immediately. So with this table, if you study the tables every day, within no time you will finish off till 20. So today's two statement problems I'll move on. First one, if 6 equal squares are placed side by side to form a rectangle whose perimeter is 308 centimeter, then the area of each square in square centimeters will be. They have said if 6 equal squares are placed side by side to form a rectangle, 6 equal squares. So squares mean all the sides are equal, right? A. So such, how many are there? 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If at all it is kept like this, all this will be A, right? This forms a rectangle. Do you agree? So this is also A. But for the rectangle, this is the length and this is the breadth. And they have said perimeter is 308 centimeters. Perimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? A rectangle contains 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So I can say 2 length plus 2 breadth is equal to 308. Or 2 is common, L plus B is equal to 308. So L plus B is equal to 308 divided by 2 is equal to 154. But what is this L? L contains how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6A plus breadth contains 1A is equal to 154. So 7A is equal to 154, A is equal to 154 divided by 7 is equal to 22 centimeter. Suppose I know the side of a square, I can find out very easily, I can find out what is the area of a square. What is the area of a square? 22, 22 is a square. So area is equal to A square is equal to 22 square is equal to 484 square centimeter. So they have given the option like 324, 196, 256, 484, 576. You understood how to do this. Now second question. A man travels 3 kilometers towards east, 2 kilometers towards north, and again 2 kilometers towards east, and finally 14 kilometers towards south. What is his nearest distance from the starting point? As soon as they talk about the directions, you have to do like this. See, in our India map, right, we are in this region, right? So, this is Bay of Bengal, this is Arabian Sea. So, this is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. So, as you read the question, you do it. A man travels 3 kilometers east. So, 3 kilometers east. He starts from here, A, towards east. And 2 kilometers towards north. 2 kilometers north. Then 2 kilometers towards east. Again 2 kilometers east. And finally he walks 14 kilometers. He goes 14 kilometers towards south. Totally this is 14 kilometers. What is the question? What is the nearest distance from the starting point? Where is the starting point? If this is the starting point, what is the nearest distance? How much is this? Very, very simple. If this is 3 kilometers and this is 2 kilometers, join this. If this is 2, this is also 2. If this is 2, this is also 2. Right? It will be a square. But what is this type of triangle is called? We have studied. It is a right angle triangle and I can use Pythagoras theorem. Those who have already know about Pythagoras theorem, you must have got the answer, because this side is 5 kilometer, this side is 14 minus 2. How much? 5, 12, and how much is this? If you know the Pythagorean triplet, immediately 5, 12, 13 you will see. So, if at all you do not know, 90-degree opposite is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to, what is this? If you want to name it as ABC. So I can say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is AB square? 5 square plus 12 square, 25 plus 144 is equal to 169. So AC is equal to square root of 169 is equal to 13. 13 watt kilometer. So you remember some of the Pythagorean triplet. One is 3, 4, 5 and multiples of 3, 4, 5. 5, 12, 13. 8, 15, 17. 24, 7, 25. 24, 10, 26 and so on. Miniarity, right? So if you remember all these Pythagorean triplet, 5, 12, immediately you can write on this type of GMAT test or aptitude test. It will be very limited time. As soon as if you look at that and if you are able to do without any calculation, you will gain more and more marks. Go to the next question. Now, today let us go for alphabetic coding. Alphabetic coding, as they have coded the alphabets, we should know how to code it. Now, as soon as they said alphabets, I told you to keep ready 2 sets. Whether it's useful or no, but you keep ready. Sometimes it may be useful. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. 13 letters. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Take care that one comes exactly below the other. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is one set, this is one set. You can refer either this set or this set, but don't refer both the sets at once. Okay, come. First question is, if scholar, S-C-H-O-L-A-R, scholar is coded as QZ-DJF, TJ, then ability can be coded as what? You should be able to find out. S and Q, 1, 2, come back to C, CZ, 1, 2, 3. First one is -2, then -3, H is D, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, O is J, O is J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5. Every alphabet need not be in the same order. They may change at the last or last two. So you should see all. Then L. L is coded as F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 6. A is coded as T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 7. R is coded as J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minus 8. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So A. You have to start from minus 2. 1, 2, Y. B. 1, 2, 3, Y. Right? I. Minus 2, minus 3, I. Minus 4, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, E. Minus 4. Minus 2, minus 3, L, minus 5. Where is L? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G. I, minus 6. Where is I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C. Y, minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 7. Y is minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. R. So what is your answer? Y, E, G, C. Did I miss any? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ability can be coded as Y, E, G, C, R. Isn't it? Y, E, G, C, R. T is minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did a mistake. Take cut kariya. The full cut kariya. Starting at answer kata. Ye mother. If scholar SCHOLAR is coded as QZTDJFPJ, then ability ABILITY can be coded as what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So yes. Where is yes and Q? Where is Q here? 1, 2. So minus 2. Yes is minus 2. C, Z. 1, 2, 3. So minus 3. H, D. Where is H? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4. O is coded as J. Where is O? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5. L is coded as F. Where is L? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6. A is coded as T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 7. R is coded as J. R is coded as J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minus 8. It starts from minus 2. So let us see your ability. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same like that. A, have to go minus 2. A, minus 2. 1, 2. Y. Right? B, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Y. I, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. L minus 5. L is minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. G. L is over I. Minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, C. T. Minus 7. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. M. Y. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what is your answer? Y, E, G, C, M, Q. So, how they are coded in the same way, we have to code. Come on, go to the next one. If paper is coded as paper is coded as RD TJX, then weight WEIGHT, weight can be coded as what? P is coded as R, P 1, 2 plus 2. A is coded as 2, D 1, 2, 3 plus 3. T is coded as T, P is coded as T 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. E is coded as J 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. R is coded as what? X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6. So here W again plus 2 plus 3. W can be coded as 1, 2. Y. E plus 3. 1, 2, 3. H. I. 1, 2, 3, 4. M. G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. L. H. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now H plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N. T plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, A. So, what is the answer? YH, ML, NA. Let me go to the next one. If heart is coded as EBXOQ, garden is coded as what? Heart, HE, 1, 2, 3. H is coded as minus 3. EB, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. A, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. R, O, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. T, Q, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. So, garden, G, 1, 2, 3, D, A, 1, 2, 3, X, R, 1, 2, 3, O, D, 1, 2, 3, A, E, 1, 2, 3, B, N, 1, 2, 3, K. So, what is your answer? D, X, O, A, B, K. Next. All will not be the same type in coding, alphabetic coding or numeric coding. So, here, hate is coded as 92216, like this it is given. Then laugh can be coded as what? Hate, which letter? 5, 6, 7, 8. But what is there? 9. So 8 plus 1, 9. A 1 plus 1, 2. T. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 21. E. 5th. So 6th. Right? It is not 9 to 2, 1, 6. It is 9 to 21, 6. Right? Laugh. L is which letter? M is 13. L is 12. So 13. 12 plus 1, 13. O 14, 15 plus 1, 16. V 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. E 5 plus 1, 6. So what is your answer? 13, 16, 2, 23, 6. L, you know, 12 plus 1, 13. O, 13, 14, 15 plus 1, 16. V, always remember, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. V is 22 plus 1, 23. E 5 plus 1, 6. Next. If Chennai is coded as DIF OOBJ, then Mumbai can be coded as what? Chennai, CT, very easy, MNONUV, So what is your answer? Your answer is N, V, N, C, B, J, U, V, M, N, B, C, A, B, I, J. Now, last but one, if teacher is coded as AETECHR, then student, look at this, it looks almost the same letters, but they have given, I have told you already, they call jumbled letters. TEA, they have done one group, they have written ulta, right? TEA. CHE, so they have written HCR. So TEA, EHCR. So how do you write student? STU, right under this, STU, DEN, T. Look at this, TEA, right? CHER. In the same way, student, STU, DEN,